Unong yalam ka Congress bat Chief Whip Kalyang Persya usaleng Sangma uloong baka Congress kampat yakren satya na kabenta banjit iki Kyrtong ban yakun yak election MP natura parliamentary seat. Habay kren bikila pathay Khubor usaleng ulay thu bahaduk menta kimpat yakren syapang Kyrtong MP natura bat President Jangki. Uloong bakani kamday kapapala na marka Kongres kampat rai Kyrtong la kalong hatura Shillong NEHU barok ko ikari. Habakali laun mi aireng hineem kum Kyrtong ka Kongres natura usaling uloong bayamenta la na mar udang haban Peit yigi kam jong ka party.
We have not talked about it yet. We haven't talked about even with our presidents also. So I think Congress has not decided. Even not only about Tura, even about the other parts of India, I think so. Comment on that, it will be too early. It will be too early for me to comment on that actually, because the national party itself has not decided, especially other parts of the state. As one, I don't think so. I don't think so. Right now, I cannot comment on that one. And then moreover, though I'm MLA, I'm responsible, leader actually. So I have to look after the affairs of the party and then, for the people only. As of if other party is already, already approved their names for the Tura and then for Shillong, it doesn't mean that the other party has to follow. It's their own agenda and their own style. That as a party, national party, Congress is organizing the party like BCC, PCC, even the district, likewise. So that's what the party is doing right now.